Hello class 9 children. So welcome to today's online class. So I have again come up with the same chapter triangle, and today's question is little bit different. So let us begin this question children. If AP bisects angle BAC and M is any point on AP. Now very simple. There is a bisector called AP which is bisecting the angle BAC, that means you can see B to C, so BAC. So AP is bisecting this angle. Now bisecting means, bisector, what is the meaning of bisector? Bisector means a line which divides anything into two equal halves. If it is a straight line dividing into two equal halves means 10 centimeter becomes 5 like that, and if it is a matter of angle then 90 degree becomes 45. That means this AP is a bisector of angle BAC, and on AP there is one point, any point named as M. So far this is the question. Now prove that the perpendiculars drawn from M to AB and AC. So from M there are two perpendiculars drawn, one is on AB and one is on AC, are equal. That means you have to prove these two perpendiculars drawn on AB and AC, that means ML and MN, these two perpendiculars are equal. So how to prove? Let us begin children. So in my solution, first I will write all the given things in the question. So what is given? Now it is given that AP is a bisector of angle BAC. First thing to know is AP bisects angle as angle BAC. First one is this one. Next, M is any point on AP. Okay, that M is any point on AP such that you have to prove that perpendiculars drawn from M to AB and AC. So one thing is given that from M two perpendiculars are drawn, one is on AB and one is on AC, that is given, and proving is different thing. So you can see, you can write that ML is perpendicular to AB, and the another perpendicular is MN is perpendicular to AC. Now you might be saying, what is the meaning of perpendicular? Perpendicular line means wherever it is perpendicular it makes 90 degree both sides. If ML is perpendicular on AB, that means it has made 90 degree both sides, and if MN is perpendicular to AC, that means it made 90 degree here on both sides, 90 degree angle. Perpendicular means a straight line, and a straight line means it is making 90 degree at the base. So very simple. Next, these things are given. Now you have to prove. So what to prove? To prove, what we have to prove? We have to prove that these two perpendicular lines are equal. That means who is equal? ML is equal to the another perpendicular, that is MN. So this is what the question is saying. So given part and what to prove part, by reading the question I have written here. Now we will start the proof. So to prove this, I have to give you a proof. So how to prove it? So for that, you know, there are two triangles formed. So you write the name of both the triangles, automatically everything will be proved. So the first triangle name I will write ALM, triangle ALM, and triangle AMN or ANM, whatever. In this two triangle, as you all know, AP is bisector. Here I have written AP bisects angle BAC. So just now I was saying that bisector or bisects means dividing anything into two equal halves. So it is dividing angle BAC, that means the BAC has become two equal. That means these two angles now will be equal. These two angles will be equal. Why? Because AP is bisecting angle BAC. That means if it was 70 degree, now it has become 35. So in this two triangle, these two angles, the angle will be, you can write MAL or LAM. So I will write angle LAM is equal to angle NAM. Angle NAM because of this bisection. Next, it is perpendicular here, that means it is making 90 degree. So I will write first, since, here also you can write, since ML is perpendicular to AB and MN is perpendicular to AC. So perpendicular means it is making 90 degree at the base. That means these two angles are both equal 90 degree each. So I can write, therefore angle ALM will be equal to angle ANM. Both will be equal and they are 90 degree each. Now why 90 degree each? Because of bisection, this particular line. Now two things we have proved, this angle and this angle. Now one more thing is equal. You can see AM line, straight line AM is common to both the triangle. You can see this AM falls in the upper triangle as well as in the lower triangle. That means I can say AM equal to AM. I can write common side. It is common to both the. So when three things of two triangles are equal, it is said to be congruent triangle. And when they are congruent, automatically the other remaining angles, the other remaining sides also will be equal. That is called CPCT. That is, corresponding parts of congruent triangle are equal. So now I will write, therefore these two triangle ALM will be congruent to triangle ANM. So once the two triangles are equal, you can say ML is equal to MN, because ML and MN are the sides of the two triangles, that is triangle ALM and ANM. So I can now say, therefore this ML is equal to this MN. Proved. They are equal, it is proved now. But how? By CPCT. Because CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle, and meaning of this is, when the two triangles are congruent, automatically the remaining other parts, the other remaining sides, the other remaining angles also are equal. So definitely this is a remaining side and they are corresponding side, so they are equal. So this way, children, we have proved the question. As per the question, we have proved the part, that is ML equal to MN.